under pump pressure can experience the same stresses during pump failure or valve closures. The bladder sewage surge tank is often located below grade level in a vault. The patented design of a bladder sewage surge tank differs in that it is specially designed to handle raw sewage using a perforated column with drainage slots at the bottom. The tank is pre-charged, compressing the bladder around the column. The initial startup of the pump fills the tank to approximately 2/3 full by expanding the bladder outwards around the column, compressing the gas pre-charge in the tank. When the pump shuts down, the tank's gas pressure acts on the bladder to provide uninterrupted flow in the piping from sewage in the bladder. Simultaneously,